If you told me a year ago that I would be landing an internship of 1.5 lakh, I wouldn't have believed you. Hi, I am Ayush Tripathi, a final year student here at GL Bajaj. And getting into dream company isn't just a luck, it was a process. When I first joined, I had the drive, but I didn't know how to channel it. The curriculum here is so incredibly hands-on. The faculty did not just teach us out of books, they push us to work on real-world projects and solve real-world industry problems. The moment I read the offer letter at 8-fold AI with a stipend of 1.5 lakhs per month, it felt surreal. Honestly, this would not have been possible without training and placement support at GL BITM. The mock interview, coding sessions, and constant guidance from faculty and training and placement cell really prepared me for this. My advice to junior is stay consistent, keep building your fundamentals, and trust the process. GL Bajaj will give you every opportunity to grow. You just have to grab it. My journey is just starting. What will yours be?